Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I will be explaining what the fixed position is. When an element has a fixed position, it remains in the same position regardless of which way the page scrolls. So you can scroll up or scroll down, that item's position will be fixed. Let me show you. This is a fixed position, this little blue box here, and this is some text. So you watch, regardless of which way I scroll, that position remains fixed because that's the way I have positioned it to be fixed. So you can position it anywhere. I could position it right at the bottom of the screen here, but as long as it's in a fixed position, it will not move regardless of where you scroll. You can scroll up, scroll down, sideways, it will not move. So basically this is what a fixed position does. So if you've got some content you want to remain fixed, like images and stuff like that, you can use a fixed position to achieve that. Even when the page is printed, that position will remain fixed on the printed document. So a fixed position does not leave any space for the element. So the position is relative to the screen's viewport. That means it's relative regardless of whether you move up or down, sideways, the position is fixed. This is the CSS responsible for setting the position of this blue box here. So you begin with the word position as a property, and then followed by a colon, and then you need to specify the type of position. In this case, the type of position is fixed, so you need to specify that. Once that's been specified, you then on the next line you specify either top or left as a value, as a property. So I've specified the top. I want it to position at the top of the document, but 80 pixels from the top. So I say top left. So this is the top of the document and left of the document. Right would be the opposite direction. So this is top left, and from the top I've told you to move down 80 pixels. So that's why it's dropped down 80 pixels from the top. And I told it top left. If you notice the left, I'm giving it 10 pixels from the left. So from left here, I've told it to move 10 pixels. Hence it's moved 10 pixels from the left. So it's top, right, bottom, left. What I've specified here is 80 pixels from the top, move 80, and left from the left here, move 10 pixels. Hence it's been positioned. Once an element is position is fixed, regardless of what direction you move. You see, if you look at it, I'm scrolling through now. You see that? You look at the image, it stays fixed. It doesn't move. It stands its ground regardless of where you scroll. You see that? So this is achieved using the position property with the value of fixed, and then also setting the top property of the element with a pixel value, and then setting the left with a pixel value. So the other properties here and values are just associated to make the div or the box look nice. But the key thing here is the position. What's responsible for the position of that element, which is position fixed, and then we're giving it a top value and a left value. Hence it's fixed. So if you, regardless of where I move the mouse, it remains fixed. So this is useful for a website layout, because there may be elements you want to stay in a certain position regardless of where you scroll or where the page is. So this should help you achieve that. In this video, I explained what a fixed position is. An element that is in a fixed position does not move regardless of the direction you move the page. You can scroll up or scroll down. the element will not move. It remains fixed to where it has been positioned. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you now have an idea of how to set a fixed position on an element for a web page. Thanks and bye for now.